So today I'm going to unbox my Hoonigan Hot Wheels Tri-5 box set. As you can see, they're individually numbered. I have number 43, so let's open it up. You got nice spray paint Hoonigan branding on the top. Bubble wrap we can set to the side. You have John Chase's 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser. You have his signature on the bottom right there. Set that to the side. You have a Lean Customs pin of his car, Tri-5 by Fire. Set that to the side. And you also have a genuine piece of Tri-5 by Fire. You can see basically pieces of the car. Maybe it's been shredded pieces of body. Some metal in there I see. Let me focus it on. You can see some metal pieces right there. This is like probably some interior cloth piece from a seat or something, I don't know. This could be some dirt from the trunk for all I know, but it's from his car. It's from this car. But that's what you get when you bought a Tri-5 box set from Hoonigan. You got the Hot Wheels car, you got a Lean Custom pin, and you got a genuine piece of his car. All in a cool spray painted numbered box. Put it all together. But thanks for watching this quick video.